Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, we discussed some miscellaneous examples. We'll continue next model. Already in previous session, we've done 7 examples. We're coming to 8th one. Find the area of region lying in the first quadrant and bounded by y equal to 4x square and x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 and y equal to 4. This is the given data. From this data, we need to find the area bounded by the given values. Now this is given parabola is third form of parabola. Given that y equal to 4x square, send this for the say for y x square equal to y by 4. This is in the form of x square equal to 4ay. Third form of parabola. It will come towards positive y axis. Positive y-axis, vertex at origin only. This is y is equal to 4x square. And next, what is given? X is equal to 0 means which axis? Y-axis. Next, y equal to 1 and y equal to 4. Y equal to 1 is parallel to x-axis and cuts y-axis. Same y equal to 4 also. And the region is there 2 parts with respect to the given values. But they are asking only in first quadrant. This is the reason we need to find here. But we are doing with respect to y-axis because here x-axis completely is not involved. That's why it is a area is clearly symmetric with respect to which axis? Y-axis. Limits also there, y limits only. That's why I'll convert x completely in terms of y. What will get? Root of y by root 4 is 2. So required area. Required area equal to which region we want means take the symbol A, B, C, D. Area of region. Which region we need to find? A, B, C, D, A. For this region we need to view with respect to y-axis like this. So here from 1 to 4 only the curve is involved. So integral 1 to 4, the curve x in terms of y we need to take. What is there? Root y by 2 into dy. Now 1 by 2 is a constant. Integral 1 to 4, y power 1 by 2 into dy. Now from this, 1 by 2, integral of y power 1 by 2 is y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from 1 to 4. It becomes reverse 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 y power 3 by 2 from 1 to 4. 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 3 into upper limit substitute 4 power 3 by 2 minus 1 power anything is 1 only. 1 by 3, 4 we can write 2 square whole power 3 by 2 minus 1. Here 2 gets cancelled. Now 1 by 3 into 8 minus 1, that is answer is 7 by 3. So next question, 9th one. Find the area. Find the area enclosed between the parabola y square equal to 4ax and the line y is equal to mx. Y square equal to 4x and y is equal to mx. One is a line, one is a line passing through origin. This is a standard form of parabola towards positive x-axis. Given that y square equal to 4ax, take it as equation number 1, and y is equal to mx. This is equation number 2. This parabola line somewhere it will be intersect. That point of intersection we need to find here. For that we need to solve these 2 equations to find the point of intersection because they are not given the limits. So I substitute y is equal to mx in equation 1. what will get? M square x square equal to 4ax. Don't cancel x because we'll get x is 0 also. 1 point. Take this side. M square x square minus 4ax equal to 0. Take x is common, remaining x. M square x minus 4a equal to 0. Either x value is 0 or this term is 0 means what will get? M square x equal to 4a, x equal to 4a by m square. This is some unknown value. Okay. Now, if x value is 0 from second equation, y value we need to find. Y is what is there? M into x. M into 0, 0. Next, if x value is 4a by m square from second equation, y equal to m into 4a by m square. One value gets cancelled. What is the y value? 4a by m. Now, from this, we got points of intersection. Points of intersection. One is 0, 0. Another one is 4a by m square, 4a by m. 4a by m square and 4a by m is some unknown values. You will take the graph approximately condition wise. Clearly it is a standard parabola, first form towards positive x-axis, and line it is passing through origin point, and one more point is 4a by m square, 4a by m. Approximately taking this is y is equal to mx passing through origin, and it is also passing in first and third quadrant. And this is the region we need to find here, bounded by these two. From these two conditions, this point is clearly we know that 4a by m square, 4a by m. Now, your limit is from this point is clearly what you will get? 4a by m square. The limits of this region is what? From 0 to 4a by m square. Upper one is a parabola, lower is a line. But here parabola line clearly there y in terms of only x. But parabola we need to convert y values in terms of x. That's why from 1 I will find out y value. Send a square that side. Root 4 means 2 root a root x. Now the required area. Required area equal to integral from where to where? 0 to 4a by m square. Upper minus lower concept here. Upper is what? Parabola. Lower is what? Line into dx. Now from 0 to 4a by m square, we need to simplify this one properly. 2 root a into root x minus line is what? Mx. Now 2 root a. Root x means x power 1 by 2 only, na? Integral of x power 1 by 2 is what? X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. M into integral of x is what? X square by 2. For this completely limits is 0 to 4a by m square. Now 3 by 2 reverse, 2 by 3, total 4 by 3 will get 4 root a by 3 into x power 3 by 2 minus m by 2 into x square from 0 to 4a by m square. Now substitute upper limit. 4 root a by 3 whole power 4a whole power 3 by 2. Apply individually for the power. M square whole power 3 by 2 minus m by 2 into, for this whole square I can do directly, whole square. For lower limit 0, 0 only will come because both values become 0. Now here in this case, your square cancel. 4 root a by 3. 4 power 3 by 2 means 2 square. 2 cancel, 2 cube. That means 8. A power 3 by 2 means you will get a root a. A cube square root, okay? by denominator what is there, m cube minus m by 2 into 16a square by m power 4. Here any cancellation not possible here. Now we are 4 8s 32 by 3 root a into root a into a square by 3 m cube is there. One m value gets cancelled, cube will be there, and 2 ones are 2 8s are. Now what remaining, 8a square by m cube. Again what is the LCM here, 3m cube. Now 3m cube is LCM, 32a square, m cube already there which is not there, 3 times will multiply, 3 8s are 24a square, 32 minus 24 that is 8a square by 3m cube is the area between the given standard parabola and standard line. This formula useful for commutative also. Whenever the parabola given y square equal to 4x form and line is y is equal to mx, then area formula is 8a square by 3m cube. So next question number 10. Find the area enclosed by the parabola four y equal to 3x square and the line 2y equal to 3x plus 12. Here one line and one parabola is given. Area between these two curves we need to find the required region. Now given parabola, given that 4y equal to 3x square, from this y is equal to what we will get, 3x square by 4. Now x square equal to 4a by form, third form of parabola. This take it as equation 1. Next line what is given, 2y equal to 3x plus 12. Y equal to what will get, 3x plus 12 by 2. This is equation 2. Now where these two are intersecting we don't know. Those points we need to find here. That's why from 1 and 2, both side, left side value same one, that's why right side values will compare. 3x square by 4 equal to 3x plus 12 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 2s are, 2 cross multiply. 3x square equal to 3 2s are 6x plus 2 into 12 is 24. Now 3x square, I can take 3 common from this, remaining 2x plus 8. 3 3 cancel. Now take this side, x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. For this factor c is minus 8 we need to get, factor c is minus 4 and plus 2. That's why directly I am writing x minus 4 into x plus 2 equal to 0. That's why here now finally x values what will get, either minus 2 plus 4. Now after getting x value we need to find y value because point is required. That's why x is equal to minus 2 from first equation, y equal to 3 into minus 2 whole square is 4 by 4. 4 4 cancel 3. Next x value 4 from first equation only, y equal to 3 into 4 square 16 by 4. 4 ones 4 4s. This is 12. Now points of intersection. Points of intersection. One point is minus 2 comma 3. Another point is 4 comma 12. You will take the graph, rough sketch only. Exact scale is not required. First given parabola is a third form of parabola x square equal to 4ay. So towards positive y axis we will get. Now point of intersection, to draw the line, minus 2 comma 3. If we take for example here minus 2, here 3 will take. Approximately I am taking. Okay, that much length is not required. Take a small value only. Otherwise you will get a very big diagram. It's minus 2, this is 3. minus 2 comma 3, next 4 comma 12. 4 comma 12 means I will take here 4 and approximately here I will take 12. Otherwise you will get very lengthy diagram. Okay. Now these are the points of intersection. Through these points draw the line. This is line is what? 2y equal to 3x plus 12. This is 4y equal to 3x square. Now this is the region we need to find here between these two. And this point is minus 2 comma 3. This point is 4 comma 12. The reason is from where to where is there? Observe clearly. From minus 2 to 4, upper is a line, lower is a curve. From upper minus lower we need to subtract here. Reason, if you take only line means this complete part will come including unshared part also. But to get only this bounded region, below of the curve whatever is there we need to remove. That's why we are removing from upper curve minus lower curve. So required area equal to from where to where? Minus 2 to 4. Upper is a line, lower is a parabola or curve whatever into dx. I am taking x limits means function also in terms of x. Already we got. So upper is a line. Line what here? 3x plus 12 by 2 minus 3x square by 4. Now simplification. LCM take 4 before integration. 2 times will multiply 6x plus 24 minus 3x square whole divided by 4 dx. Now 1 by 4 I will take common. 6 into integral of x is x square by 2. Integral of 24 is 24x. 3 into integral of x square is x cube by 3. From minus 2 to 4. Here 3 gets cancelled. Now substitute upper limit. 6 by 2 means here 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 into 4 square 16. 24 into 4 96 minus 4 cube 64 minus of lower limit 3 into minus 2 whole square 4 24 into minus 2 minus 48 minus 2 whole cube that is minus 8 minus of minus plus 8. Directly I am writing few values. 1 by 4 this is 48. From 96 remove 64, how much will you get? 32. Now here minus 12 plus 48 minus 8. Now 1 by 4. Here 48 plus 48 96 or 48 minus 8 how much? 40. 40 plus 48 88. 88 32 minus 12 20. Now here 88 plus 20 means 108. Now 108 means how many times you will cancel? 27 times. 27 times if you take means what? 27 8s are. You will get 108. That's why 27 square units. 40 plus 48. Now 88. 88 here 20 will come. Total 108 will get. That is 27 is the answer. Next question. Question number 11. Find the area of the region enclosed by the parabola x square equal to y and the line y equal to x plus 2 and the x-axis. Now this one I can do homework. Previous model done same like this only. Parabola with the line. This one you do homework. Okay. Same model question. Next 12th one. using method of integration find the area bounded by the curve mod x plus mod y equal to 1. Here when mod x plus mod y is mod x mod y nature, we know when x is negative mod x becomes minus x, x is positive plus x. Similarly y is negative means minus x, y is positive means plus x will get. So from this we can get 4 lines. What are the possibilities? A given curve mod x plus mod y equal to 1. Now here possible curves are possible line, because this is a line. Actually possible lines are when this line is present in first quadrant. First quadrant means what? X and y both are positive. In that case what you will get? Both are plus 1 will come. When second quadrant x is negative, y is positive. In the third quadrant both are negative. Fourth quadrant x is positive, y is negative. Now why I am taking, you will understand here like this. To draw a line we need 2 points, that's why I am taking y value 0, x value 1, x value 0, y value 1. Similarly in this case x and y 0 minus x equal to 1, x value minus 1, x value 0, y value 1 will get. Similarly in this case to draw these lines we need the points y 0, x value minus 1, x 0, y value minus 1. Once you draw the lines, answer is very easy. Y value 0, x value 1, x value 0, y value will get minus 1. Now from this given data we can draw the graph. Take the coordinate axis. One minus 1, 1 minus 1. First line passing through 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1. This is the point. This is equation 1. Second one minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1. Minus 1 comma 0 here, 0 comma 1 here. This is second one. Third one minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma minus 1. Third line. Fourth line 1 comma 0, 1 point, 0 comma minus 1 another point. Now we need the complete region, but each region is symmetric with other one. So A, B, C, D. This is the center. I will find this one region. This right angle triangle only na. What is the base? 1. Height also 1. So here area of triangle, for right angle triangle we know clearly half into base and height. Base we know, height also we know. Total area to find, we need only 4 times of region OABO, that's all. So here total area or required area equal to 4 times of, because we need complete this square region we need. So 4 times of area of region OABO. Now this OABO is what? Simply area of triangle OAB. No need to apply integration also here. Directly we will get. Area of triangle OAB Now triangle OAB using means what here you get half into base is what OA, height is what OB. Now 4 into 1 by 2 that is 2, OA value 1, OB value also 1. Answer is 2 square units. Next 13th one, find the area bounded by the curve y equal to x cube, comma the x-axis and the ordinates x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 1. Now y is equal to x cube, we don't know the graph actually, not is anywhere. So drawing is very easy. When you don't know, just taking x value, you will get y value from that. Zero, 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 2. This is x-axis. 1, 2 means somewhere I will take 8, somewhere minus 8. Now x value 0, y also what will get? 0. This curve I am drawing first. x1 take 1 cube, y also 1. X value 2, y value 8. If you take minus 1 whole cube, y value minus 1. Minus 2 means you will get minus 8. And this is the graph of y is equal to x cube. When you don't know the graph, just take the values x, you will get to y. From that we can draw the graph. They are asking area between y is equal to x cube but the x-axis and the ordinates x equal to minus 2. This is one region we want. I will take minus 1. This is one region from minus 2 to 0 they are below the x-axis. Next, but we need to find from minus 1 to plus 1, minus 2 to plus 1. This is a small region, another one. From where to where? 0 to 1. These two regions we need to find here. Now here these two regions from minus 2 to 1 split it into two parts, because from minus 2 to 0 they are below the x-axis. When it is below the x-axis we need to take modulus for the given integral value, because when the below the x-axis value becomes negative but area of region is always a positive, to make the positive will apply modulus for this. Next from 0 to 1 above only positive will take. So here all the curve is there correctly. The area equal to first region from minus 2 to 0. Curve only there. What is the curve? X cube dx. Plus from 0 to 1, very small region. Here also there is a curve is involved. Modulus of integral of x cube, x power 4 by 4 from minus 2 to 0. X power 4 by 4 from 0 to 1. Modulus of upper limit substitute 0 power 4 0 minus minus 2 whole power 4, that is plus 16 by 4. 1 substitute 1 power 4 1 by 4 minus 0. Modulus of minus 16 by 4, that is minus 4 plus 1 by 4. 4 plus 1 by 4. Take LCM, 16 plus 1 17 by 4 square units. Last question in this chapter, 14th one. Find the area find the area bounded by the curve y equal to x into mod x, comma x axis and the ordinates. And the ordinates are given x equal to -1 and x equal to +1. Okay, here mod x is involved means we need to simplify that curve y equal to x into mod x. If x is greater than or equal to 0, mod x will becomes x. It means what? X into x, that is x square is the curve. If x is less than 0, mod x will becomes minus x, that is minus x square. Here two curves is there. What? Y equal to x square if x is greater than or equal to 0. Next, y is equal to minus x square if x is less than 0. Based on these two conditions, we need to draw the graph. Both are parabolas only. One is upwards, one is downwards. But we are not a complete curve of third form of parabola. Reason? Only for positive this curve is exist in this condition. Only for negative this is downwards condition. Now, see the graph. Actual graph of this what? X square equal to 4ay, complete curve you will get, including negative side also. But here condition what is there? Only for x greater than or equal to 0. From 0 onwards, this one region. Another one is x square equal to minus 4ay. This is y is equal to minus x square, y is equal to x square. But we need to take this curve only for right side. Which one? Y equal to x square. Reason? X is greater than or equal to 0. That means we need to remove this. Only for understanding purpose I draw. Directly we can't get values. Next, similarly, y is equal to minus x square is only for what? X is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative side. This curve is not there. That means this is a curve we will get. Y is equal to minus x square. This is the graph of the given function. They are asking area between where to where? -1 to +1. This is 0. This is 1. This is -1. Now one region below the x-axis is there, one region above the x-axis. From -1 to 0, which curve is there? Y is equal to minus x square. From 0 to 1, which curve is there? Y equal to x square. Now, required area equal to integral -1 to 0, clearly is there. -1 to 0, modulus we need to take. Reason it is below the x-axis. What is the curve is involved? Minus x square into dx. Plus, from 0 to 1, mod is not required, is above the x-axis. Only y in terms of x already there. No need to convert. That's why x square dx. Modulus of minus x square integration minus x cube by 3 from -1 to 0. X cube by 3, 0 to 1. Substitute upper limit minus 0, 0 only, minus of minus 1 whole cube, minus 1 only. So minus of minus what will get? Plus 1 by 3. Here 1 cube, 1 by 3 minus 0. Here total what? Minus into plus minus, mod of minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. If you not taken modulus, both will become 0. Okay, now area total. Modulus compulsory we need to take when it is the below the x-axis. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 2 by 3 square units. Now application of integrals PU part is completed. From next session we will start competitive class. Thank you.